The stotras. Okay.
The 6 sutras?
Yeah, 6 sutras, Prabhu.
Okay. So, Sangya Prakaranam, Narayana Varnakramaha. So, we did this earlier in yesterday's session. So, the source of all the letters in Sanskrit is Narayana himself. So, that's Sutra number 1. Then, Tatradau Chaturdasha Sarveshwaraha. The first 14 varnas of the alphabet, they are called Sarveshwaras. Now, amongst all the letters, the alphabet, the Sanskrit Varnamala, the first 14, which are actually the vowels, a, e, ityadi. So those 14 vowels uh, in Sanskrit, generally they are called Swara Varnas, but Jiva Goswami is naming them as Sarveshwaras. So all the vowels, 14 of them, they will be called Sarveshwaras uh, in Sanskrit. So these are the 14 Sarveshwaras: a, e, u, ri, a, I, o, and au. Okay, a, I, o, au. So these 14 are called Sarveshwaras. Okay. Then Dashavatara. The first 10 varnas of the alphabet, they are called Dashavataras. So now the first 10 varnas, the 10 letters of the alphabet, they are called Dashavataras. So the 10 are A, I, U, U, R, R, L. So these 10, they are called Dashavataras. The first 14 are called Sarveshwaras. The first 10, they are called Dashavataras. So this is Sangya Prakaranam. This chapter is called Sangya, which means terminologies, definitions. So Jiva Goswami is basically naming, creating different groups of letters and naming them uh, based on Krishna's holy names, like Dashavatara, Sarveshwara, and so on. So we'll have around 25, 30 such names, groups, and then we'll proceed to the next section, which is Sandhi, and then so on. So the whole grammar will actually be based on these names, these groups. We'll work on these groups. Then, Tesham Dvau Dvavikatmakau. Now, so A, A, E, E, U, U, Ri, 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 Ri. So these 10, they are called Dashavataras, right? Dashavataras. So now the sutra is Tesham Dvau Dvavikatmakau, which means among the Dashavataras, both varnas of each consecutive pair are called ekatmakas. Meaning, now we split these 10 Dashavataras into 5 groups of 2 letters each. So A is one group, E is another, U, Ri and Ri, right? ऐसे 5 ग्रुप्स हो गए. अब हर ग्रुप में जो 2 अक्षर हैं वो उनको हम एकात्मक कहते हैं. एकात्मक. एकात्मक मीन्स एक आत्मा और एक आत्मक. In simple word, uh, just 1 second. Just like Radha and Krishna, ekatmanavapi bhuvi pura deha bhedam gatauto. They are one soul, ek atma, but two bodies or two manifestations. Similarly, these letters a, e, u, and so on, although they look different, looks different, a looks different, but they are actually one identically, but it's just different manifestation. So Jiva Goswami explains, just like the Lord appeared as Vamana, a short form, but the same Lord, he then extended himself and he became Trivikrama. So although the manifestations, they look different, but the personality is the same. Similarly, a is equal, is same, identical. E is identical, and likewise all these 5 groups. So both the letters are identical to each other in each of these groups. The implementation and the usage we'll actually see later in Sandhi. So for time being, just consider that a equals to a equals to a, then a equals to a, and a equals to a. So when we say
Sorry, bro, what
ekatmaka,
is...
so when
I
we
didn't
say
understand the...
ekatmaka, so we get these 4 possibilities. Yes, Prabhuji.
Sorry, I did not understand the third and fourth. How? I mean, I thought the first two are more like you're just converting into bigger letters, but I didn't understand the third and the fourth one.
This one?
Yeah, like A, you just said A, then A with a bar, you said A with a bar. That is okay. I mean, I
Yeah,
thought this is just...
yeah, this is short a and this is the long a.
Oh, so both are same because they are one soul like Vaman
Yeah,
Dev
yeah,
and
both are
Trivikrama.
same. Both
Okay,
are
okay, got
same.
it, got it. Okay, okay, got
The
it. Okay.
implementation we will see when we will do sandhis.
Yes, yes, yes. Bro.
So theoretically, they are same.
Oh, can you give some small example?
एग्जाम्पल संधि में आएगा. अभी बस आप
Okay.
थियोरेटिकली समझ लीजिए कि वो सेम है.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
छोटा अक्षर बड़ा अक्षर सेम है. ठीक है. पूर्वो वामनः परस त्रिविक्रमः. अब दशावतार में
Ah,
जो पहले जो 5 अक्षर हैं वो छोटे अक्षर हैं, यू नो, शॉर्ट वाउल्स. तो उसको जीव गोस्वामी ने नाम दिया वामन. तो ये सारे वामन अक्षर है ना, छोटे. नॉर्मली इसको हम बोलते हैं ह्रस्व या लघु. नॉर्मली हम बोलते हैं ह्रस्व या लघु वर्ण. और जो बड़े अक्षर है परस त्रिविक्रम,
दीर्घ, दीर्घ.
वो त्रिविक्रम, उनको हम त्रिविक्रम कहलाएंगे क्योंकि भगवान त्रिविक्रम बन गए थे, वामन बन गए थे त्रिविक्रम. और नॉर्मली हम इसको बोलते हैं दीर्घ या फिर हम बोलते हैं गुरु, दीर्घ या गुरु. तो वामन और त्रिविक्रम. ठीक है.
Bro, can I take a screenshot of this? What you just wrote?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you'll send the notes.
I will actually make a Google Doc and then
Yes, bro. Yes, that will be helpful.
we'll
Thank you,
keep
bro.
on writing on that only. So I'll just copy paste this and then next class onwards on Google Doc itself.
Yes, yes. Thank you, bro.
So Vamana and Trivikrama. Purva Vamana, Paras Trivikrama.
Parastepura.
Then A Varjita Sarveshwara Ishvara. If we exclude A and A from the Sarveshwaras, the 14 Varnas, So the remaining 12 varnas, they are called Ishwaras. So E, E, U, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au. So these 12, they are called Ishwaras. Okay. And then Dashavatara, Isha. If we exclude A and A from the Dashavataras, then the remaining 8 letters, they are called Isha. Isha. E, E, U, U, Ri, and Ri. So they are called Isha. Okay. Then A, I, U, Ananta. These 6 letters, they are called Anantas. They are Anantas. There is nothing much here, just different groups naming them. There is no equation, formula, sutra. I mean, so these 6 are Anantas. Then I, U, Chatuhsana. These 4 letters are called Chatusanas. Chatusanas. Then U, Ri, Chaturbhuja. These 4 letters, they are called Chaturbhuja. Chaturbhuja. Then A, I, O, Au, Chaturvyuha. These 4 letters, they are called Chaturvyuha. These 4 are called Chaturvyuha.
So just one question: is it like they are just given names randomly for the 4 ones, or is there any some significance behind why these 4, or it's just?
So it's not random. It's according to the operations which we will do ahead throughout the grammar
Okay.
that the groups have been made. Actually, grammar has to be integrated. You know, all the chapters, everything has to be integrated. So these 4 are called Chaturvyuha. Now in the Dashavataras, we studied how 5 are Vamanas, 5 are Trivikramas. So 10 vowels we covered. These are the 4 extra, another 4. Now these 4 letters, A, I, O, Au, all of them are Trivikrama. These 4, they are Trivikramas. There is no Vamana here. A, I, O, Au, all of them are Trivikrama Aksharas. So in this way, we get 9 Trivikramas and 5 Vamanas out of the 14 Sarveshwaras. There is actually a reason why these 4 are Trivikramas. I will actually explain them when we study Sandhi. Why these 4 are Trivikramas. Then, Ang iti Vishnu Chakram. This this A, the A is only for the sake of pronunciation. The actual letter or the sound is this. M with a dot above. In Devanagari, we put Bindu, Anuswar. We call it Anuswar. So generally it is called Anuswar. Here we will call it Vishnu Chakra. Then Ang iti Vishnu Chapaha. So this Chandra Bindu, generally we say Chandra Bindu. So this is called Vishnu Chapa. Chapa means bow, Dhanush. Because it looks like a Dhanush. So Vishnu Chapa. Then Aha iti Vishnu Sargaha. H with a dot underneath, which we generally call as Visarga. Visarga. So that is called Vishnu Sarga in Harinamamrita Vyakarana. Vishnu Sarga. Okay. Okay, so for the sutras, we'll stop here. We'll discuss little pronunciation of the letters. So Jiva Goswami, in the Vritti of the first sutra, he discusses the pronunciation of uh, the letters. So this is our mouth, the teeth, the lip side, and the tongue. So there are 5 places of pronunciation in our mouth. So it happens like this. When so in our body, there are 10 kinds of airs which rotate in our body. And all those different airs, they have different functions. Like one kind of air is used to breathe, another kind of air is used to speak, another kind of air for digestion, for blood circulation, and so on. For blinking eye, there is another air. So 10 kinds of airs they rotate within our body. Apan, Asman, Udan, Vyan, uh, Pran, and then uh, Nag, Kur, Makrikal, Devadatta, Dhananjaya. So like that 10 kinds of airs. So when we want to say something, then a certain air comes from the belly area and it passes through the lungs, and then it passes through the throat. And when it is passing or it is wanting to release from the mouth, then our tongue obstructs the movement of the air by touching to either of these 5 places in the mouth, and then a certain sound is created, is uttered. So this is how when a tongue obstructs the movement of the air, then the pronunciation takes place. So first place is the throat, this one, kantha, throat. Second is the talu, behind the upper teeth. Third is the murdha, the cerebral. Fourth is the teeth, dant. And fifth is the lips. So these are the 5 places where the tongue touches and then a certain sound is created. Now, the first one, a, ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, ha, and the visarga, Vishnu Sarga, they are uttered from the kantha. Just try with me. Just utter after me. Ka, kha, ga. And just try to feel that how the back part of the tongue is touching this number one, this area. Ka, kha. You can even put hand, feel, touch. Ka, kha, ga. Right? So all these letters, they are uttered from the kantha region, from the throat region. Now the second, it is uttered from the talu, the second place. So the tongue touches here. You can try after me. Ch, ch, right? The tongue is touching this part. Ch, ch, j, and so on. Then this one, tatha, the tongue touches the third part. Please try after me. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, now first say cha and then say ta. So we'll see the difference, how it goes from 2 to 3. Cha and ta, right? When we say ta, then the tongue moves back. Cha, ta. Then fourth one is dantya. So ta, ta. The tongue touches the teeth. Ta, right? It is touching. Ta. I had the same expression that we have been speaking since our birth, and we didn't know this basic thing. And the last one is oshtya. The air is obstructed by the lips, like pa, pa. Can anyone say pa without closing the lips? No, we have to close the lips. Pa, pa. So in this way, these are the 5 places of pronunciation. Uh, And then there is one. So this the v sound is actually made dant oshtha. Upper teeth and the lower lip. V. We use two parts. Right? V. So dant and oshtha. V. So that's the pronunciation. You can go through it again.
True, Oshta is the lower lip. That's what Oshta means, and Danta
I
is the
mean,
teeth.
here when we talk of pronunciation, oshtha refers to both the oshtha. Generally, the lower lip is called adhara, and
Adhara.
oshtha is
Okay.
called the upper lip. But here, oshtha refers to both the lips in general.
Okay.
Okay, so yes, that's it. This Sangya Prakaranam, it has around 35-40 sutras. So it's just going through the sutras, just knowing them. Okay, this group is called this, that group is called that. So for the next week, you memorize the alphabets in sequence. First of all, the alphabet, and then you memorize. So it has 40 sutras. Can you do 40 sutras? Maybe. Okay, leave it. You do. We did 15 sutras today, right? In class, we studied. So you study or you memorize. Twenty-four. You memorize 24 sutras by next week. Okay, so
Yes, Prabhu.
yeah, you can kindly mention the homework in the group, Prabhu. Achut Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu, I'll mention.
So one thing is to memorize the alphabets in the sequence given, and second thing is to memorize the first 24 sutras. Yes, Prabhuji? Sanatan Prabhu.
Just one question: re, and li or lul. What is that? Can you explain once?
Yeah.
The
I also have same
pronunciation?
question. Yeah, bro, last
pronunciation.
time you mentioned that you will explain that those letters also.
I, u, ru, and
Okay,
what's
okay,
the
okay. Coming, explaining. So we shouldn't say ru. It's not
Okay.
ru. It's ri.
Re.
So the
Number two.
the place is the third number place, the murdha. So the tongue has to touch here,
On the upper part.
upper part. So from where we pronounce ta, tha, da, dhana. So from there only we have to pronounce ri, ri, ri. It's not ru.
Okay. And the next lu.
So that's also not lu. It is ri. It's the same sound ri, but you just add the pronunciation of la before that. So it becomes ri, ri. The place is this only, ri.
Okay.
Ri
But
and ri.
here it is dental, so it will touch the both. These will touch, or it will.
Ri, ri. I mean, see, because la is dental and then ri is cerebral, so it's very quick. So ultimately, the tongue it rests on point number 3, place number 3.
Okay.
Yeah, it rests here only. So ri, ri.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Prabhu, but
Okay,
there
I
were
will
4 letters,
actually.
right? There was la was
Prabhu?
also there. La was also there. That is also
Yeah.
there. I mean, there are. If you go in that initial 14 letters, it is at the top. So if you see this, there are 4 re, then there is r with hash, I mean, and with re, and then one more. So what is a 4? I mean, I think you explained r with a dot and l with a dot, right?
Okay, so now the thing is,
Raswa.
I explained the places. Now there is a difference in pronunciation of the Vamanas versus the pronunciation of the Trivikramas. And the difference is that if, let's say, we take 1 second, we don't take, but if suppose we take 1 second to pronounce Vamana, in Sanskrit we call it one matra. Then we should take double time to pronounce a Trivikrama Akshara. We should take double the amount of that time. So if it is, let's say, now pronounce this after me, Bala.
Bala.
Bola.
And if I make it like this, so it should be Bala. We prolong it.
Bala.
Bala.
Yeah, Bala. So we prolong the pronunciation of the Trivikrama months. So that is the difference between even Ri and Ri and Ri and Ri. We prolong it.
Oh.
That is the only
okay,
difference.
Okay. Re.
Yeah.
R. R. Okay. Okay.
Okay, one last thing, which is also interesting. So I'll show you the pronunciation of sh, and sa. So sa is dental, the normal sa, S. It is dental. So let's say the tongue touches the teeth, this is 90-degree angle.
Almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 90. And for sh, so this is sa here. Then for sh, the tongue has to touch here, this point. So which angle would be this?
Sure.
45?
Yeah.
Yeah.
45. And the third one, for sh, the tongue has to touch here.
Sure.
Which angle is this? 0?
Yeah.
I think it's 0.
It's also 90 from this side.
Anyhow,
So this sh is Shatkon wala sh?
the third one?
No. Third one, or is this
Third
Shari
one
wala
is
sh?
no, Sharir wala sh is the second one, green wala.
This second one. Okay. There is
Yeah,
Shatkon
and the
wala sh.
yellow
Okay.
one is the Krishna Shatkon.
Krishna.
So अभी उच्चारण मैं बताता हूँ, बहुत सिंपल है. फर्स्ट हम यहाँ से इस सीक्वेंस में शुरू करेंगे, 1, 2 and 3, है ना, इस सीक्वेंस में स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो आप वो जगह के हिसाब से आप उसको समझिएगा कि हम कैसे कर रहे हैं. सबसे पहले बोलिए स. स. आप अपना हाथ ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं, 90 डिग्री. स. फिर श. ये दांत के ऊपर वाले दांत के जस्ट पीछे लगना चाहिए, जहां पे च लगा था. श. अब थर्ड वाला, अब पीछे और लेके जाना जीभ को. श. हाँ, राइट. श. अब दोबारा करेंगे. स. श. अपनी जीभ को थोड़ा सा नोटिस करिए, जस्ट नोटिस योर टंग. स. श. श. 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 क्लियर है? तो इससे तीनों स, श और श क्लियर हो गया. तो कृष्णा में हम थर्ड वाला यूज करते हैं, कृष्णा. जनरली हम एक्चुअली क्या करते हैं, हमारी टंग इज अ बिट लेजी, सो रेदर उसको थर्ड वाला प्रोनाउंस करना चाहिए, बट वो नॉर्मल श प्रोनाउंस कर देता है, शरीर वाला. तो वहां वो गड़बड़ होती है. हमें ट्राई करना चाहिए कि हम षटकोण वाला श उच्चारण करें, कृष्णा. ठीक है? तो ये उच्चारण.
वन चेंज यू कैन मेक, जो येलो है वो 90 कर दीजिए, और जो लाल वाला है वो 0 कर दीजिए.
अच्छा.
टंग हम टंग से कर रहे हैं ना, तो रेफरेंस.
तो ये कुछ उच्चारण से संबंधित डिस्कशन था। ठीक है, आज हम ये रुकते हैं। आप 24 सूत्र याद कीजिए नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए, प्लस सारे अल्फाबेट सीक्वेंस में याद कीजिए, और फिर
Yeah.
हम नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे आई विल इन मायपुर बट विल डू द क्लास। या विल डू द क्लास एक्चुअली, फिर हम रिज्यूम करते हैं ट्यूसडे।
तो आज जो आपने ये सिखाया, ये वाला इसका रिकॉर्डिंग मिल सकता है मेरे को?
हाँ
मेरे को
हाँ, वो
नोट्स
सारा
लिखने थे इसके।
रिकॉर्डिंग अब प्लेलिस्ट पे आपको मिल जाएगा। प्लेलिस्ट का
ओ
लिंक मैंने
सेम
ग्रुप में शेयर,
वैसे ही, हाँ हाँ हाँ, तो वो वही है। ओके ओके ओके,
प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक
ठीक
मैंने
है।
कर दिया, वो सारे वीडियोस
हाँ हाँ,
उसमें
मैंने देखा, वो
चलते
देखा।
जाएंगे।
ओके, ठीक है।
हरे कृष्णा।
I think.
हरे
Thank
कृष्णा।
you.